Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Monday.com CRM easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Monday.com. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Monday.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Monday.com registration page. Now, fill in your personal details, including your name and a password. Once you have completed the form, click on the Sign Up button to continue. After signing up, you will be taken to a welcome page. Here, you may be prompted to select a template for your CRM setup. Choose a template that best fits your business needs, or select Create from Scratch if preferred. Next, configure your CRM by adding columns that represent the information you'll track, such as contacts and deals. Feel free to customize the layout to suit your workflow. Once your setup is complete, click on the Create Board button to finalize your CRM. Congratulations, you are now registered and have set up your Monday.com CRM. Take a moment to explore the features available to optimize your project management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.